exactly through this the afflictions are overcome. Relying on the path of great bliss, though everything is done, it is freedom. With thoughts having been relinquished and being free of perceiver and perceived, this constitutes unconditional wisdom. Not produced by causes and conditions.